Hello, and today we are looking at the Northcord Model Company Alexander Dennis Enviro400 MMC for Brighton and Hove buses, doing specifically Route A on this model. And there's a nice detailed 176 die-cast metal model with tons of detail, as you can see here. And as you can also see, it comes packaged in this really little nice presentation box. You can see the display case that the model is held in, and you can see it from the front and the back from inside the box, looking really nice, making it really easy to display in the box if you so chose. But we're going to take it out of the box and have a look at the model up close. So let's just pop open the box now, pop it open, and it just slides out very nicely like so. Let's move the box to the back, out of the way. And there you have it. As you can see, it comes packaged in a nice little display case on a little display plinth, which has the model number of this bus, which is ukbus6533, where it runs, here being Brighton and Hove, and how many of these models were actually made, with it being one of 1008, as all of these Northcord model buses are limited edition. Let's have a quick look at it from the other side in this case. You can see same level of same information on the plinth here. See the front and the back. Now we're going to pop off the top of the display case, leaving it on the plinth itself, but have a nice closer look at the model now. If we just remove the top of the display case, see it also has a little bit of plastic on top to keep the form nice and protected. And again, this is a die-cast metal model, but some parts may be more delicate, so you should always handle with care as to not damage your model. Now let's have a nice look at it up close. As you can see, this is a lovely model, tons and tons of detail on it. If we start at the front of the bus itself, you can see we have curved windscreens. We have twin tree protectors here. See at the front again, you can see the windscreen wipers. You can see its fleet number written down here, with it being 301. See printing on the front, Brighton and Hove, of course, where this bus is active. It's got its registration of YX69NVL. You can see the interior, you can see the driver's seat right there, looking really, really nice, and all the lights on the front. You can see its route number written right in the big at the front, 5A, and its destination of Patcham, as well as Carroll Barnes, which is the name that this bus displays. Of course, it's got a really nice colour scheme you can see as well, which is also shown on all the other sides of the bus, as this is the Live and Breathe livery for the Brighton and Hove buses. As you can see, it says Live and Breathe with a nice and the person on a bike. It just says Be the Change, Walk, Cycle Bus. A really nice design of a city down here. See it running all along, really nice. Just overall, the really nice printing on this model to be as accurate as possible. As you can see, all the little warnings and symbols running on, like Brighton and Hove. See here it says we are a part of the Go Ahead crew. The free Wi-Fi symbol. You know, they've made sure to include every printing possible to make this bus as real as possible. If we move to the back, you can see the same level of printing across. It's got its registration again, same level of detail across it as well. Brighton and Hove, its route number again. Got more printed like buses.co.uk. The little warnings you see all across, just looking really nice. And once again, we can see this side. Once again, nice Live and Breathe right here. This time we've got some wind turbines in the and instead. See the fuel. We've got really nice detailed wheels. So overall, it's a really, really nice detailed model. And if we look inside, see the layout of the bus is accurate to a real bus like this. Really nice detailed seats, you can see, to make sure it's really good. Also coming back to the front, one thing I should you can see, this is a dual door setup, which you can see you've got doors here and here, rather than just at the front. Looking really, really nice. Now, once again, like I've said, this bus has a registration of YX69NVL, a fleet number of 301, and it's doing Route 5A. This bus has also been seen doing other routes such as Route 5 and 5 B. Now, let's get into a little bit about the bus itself. Again, like I said, this is an Alexander Dennis Enviro400 MMC, which is a low-floor double-decker bus produced by the British company Alexander Dennis. Now, the MMC began production back in 2014, taking over from the standard Enviro400 and remains in production to this day. Now, this bus specifically is an Enviro400 ER, and the ER standing for extended range, which is a hybrid electric version of this bus, using the Enviro400 MMC body, but using a electric hybrid engine instead. This one being the ER from having a further range. And this bus itself was delivered to Brighton and Hove buses in 2019 and remains in service to this day. So you may see this bus out and about if you're in Brighton and Hove, and it tends to run in the ULEZ zones or ultra low emission zones in Brighton. As it being a hybrid, it doesn't have as many emissions, which is probably why it has the live and breathe livery on. This is kind of, as it doesn't have as much emissions. I have more of an environmentalist kind of stance with it being be the change, walk, cycle, bus, rather than driving. Now let's go into a little bit about the bus itself again, with its size, with a length of about 13 centimeters or 5.1 inches, a width of about 3.4 centimeters or 1.3 inches, and a height of about 5.8 centimeters or 2.3 inches. This model bus is perfect for anyone who is a collector of model buses. It's really nice display piece, really nice little display case to keep it safe. Overall, it is a wonderful, lovely model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.